What's up everyone, my name is Mike, and welcome back to the ICO Investor channel. And today we are going to talk about Binance Liquidity Pool. But before we start, please be aware by our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, without further ado, let us begin. First things first, Binance Pool is a comprehensive service platform dedicated to improving the income of miners. Binance Pool provides mining services to users with a focus on POW and POS. As an important part of the Binance ecosystem, Binance Pool makes full use of every advantages in technology, capital, the exchange business, industry resources, and other areas in order to offer its users not only the ultimate mining experience, but also a one-stop hub for mining trading services. Binance Pool has always been dedicated to improving the income of miners. There are 4 types of mining pool advantages. Ultra-high earnings. All miner earnings are distributed to miners using the FFPS for BT and the PPS plus for ETH earnings distribution model, which increases earnings by about 5%. Binance Pool Savings is an exclusive wealth management product for miners with current flexible withdrawals and ultra-high annual earnings. Leader in technology. Multiple mining algorithms and currencies are supported. Multi-node deployment provides customers with options while ensuring network connection stability. The platform uses read-write separation, and customers are protected from DDoS attacks using Cloudflare. Top-notch service. Full-time customer service and technical support are offered round the clock, 24/7. Major customers enjoy exclusive VIP benefits and customized services. Sound ecology. Relying on Binance's sound ecosystem, the mining pools acts as a bridge between users and various ecological platforms. Customer needs can be met directly through the exchange, labs, launchpad, and other ecological platforms. They also have 4 types of customer benefits for VIPs. Mining pool rights and benefits. Low fees, pool savings, risk-free, high-yield, independent nodes, and other services. Trading rights. Major customers enjoy discounted fees when trading spot or futures, or borrowing funds on margin. Ecological rights. Priority benefits throughout the entire Binance ecology, at industry seminars, etc. Service rights. Exclusive fast track for support tickets, exclusive one-on-one connections with VIP managers, and VIP quotes for large volume OTC trading. Mining pool address and fees. Binance Pool has already deployed mining pool nodes in America, Europe, southern and northern China, and other locations, and continues to grow. When users connect to the pool, they are automatically allocated to the nearest node using the load balancing method to carry out mining. This ensures that the mining operation remains stable and prevents delays for users. How to start mining with Binance Pool. Prepare your mining equipment, a miner power supply, network cables, and a desktop computer for miner management. Register with Binance Pool on the website. Obtain a mining pool URL, like shown on the screen. Create a mining account or a worker name. What is a mining account? The mining account belongs to the main account. They are mostly used to classify and configure the miners, and to connect your mining equipment to the platform. Once a sub-account is made, it cannot be deleted nor be cancelled. There are currently over 3,000 mining accounts online. You can set up multiple accounts depending on your needs. Mining accounts can be used to manage multiple proxy servers, monitor multiple mining farms, etc. How to configure a mining account. To add a sub-account, log in first into your account on the website. Then click on Mining Account Management in the drop-down menu on the right to create a sub-account. Once you log into the pool for the first time, you'll need to create a new mining account. Next, click on Add a Mining Account to create a worker username. And after creating an account, a new mining user is generated. Configure the miner in the worker column in the miner backend. The configuration format is miner username.miner number. How to become a Binance Pool VIP. Customers with high hash rate can apply for VIP status for free to enjoy VIP benefits. Users with VIP status can get access to independent lines, nodes, which are stable and hidden to prevent attacks and ensure a stable income. Application requirements. Applications are approved only for users who've reached a BTC hash rate of 40 pH/s and ETH hash rate of 10 GH/s. Application process. Sign into your Binance Pool account and scroll down to Operation Service. Send your VIP application at a specific email that's given. VIP level. There are 9 VIP level for Binance Pool users. In addition to mining pool benefits, users who become VIP clients also enjoy VIP benefits on Binance Exchange. Here's an example chart about the mining pool VIP level. What should you do if the hash rate drops? You must check the following. Whether the mining equipment is operating properly. Whether the mining configurations are valid. Check if there are any malfunctions with the network. What causes the mining pool network to be unstable? The network instability is sometimes caused by technical maintenance, which generally takes from 30 minutes up to 2 hours. The network disruptions may also be caused by attacks, either on the Bitcoin network or mining pool servers. What should you do if your earnings decreased? Check the following. Whether the mining equipment is operating properly. Whether the mining configurations are valid. If there are any network disruptions. Whether the mining difficulty changes. If the difficulty changes, the income will fluctuate. What is the minimum payment account? There's no minimum payment, mining income will be paid directly to pool account. You can also just simply stop using your account if you no longer want to mine with Binance Pool. They currently unable to process any account closing requests. And that is all for Binance Liquidity Pool. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at ICO Investor Channel. Thank you for watching.